This tutorial is a brief tutorial just discussing the differences between pages and assignments, and I'll show you real quick a couple of the differences as well. We're going to start with pages first. So you can see I'm in pages. I'm on actually the page that talks about the difference between Canvas pages and Canvas assignments. When I click on edit, you'll basically see what a page looks like. So here's my rich content editor. You can see that I've added the content. I have some pictures, I have some buttons and links and stuff like that. This is linked up down below. Obviously it's not linked now because I'm still working on this page. But let's say that I wanted to add a link to something in here. I can come over here to assignments. You can see I have a chapter 10 assignment, which in this case is actually a quiz. I could link this to another page. So I could say learn how to do X by clicking on the link below. So I could go here. We can learn how to build a quiz bank. So assuming that this was instructions on how to build a quiz bank, you could click on this link and it would take you to another page that would build a quiz bank. I certainly don't have to link it to another page. I could link it to a quiz if I had one, an announcement, which I don't have that either. I could link it to a module. It would take you through a whole series of things. I can also link individual files here, no different than I could on any other assignment, discussion, quiz, etc. The biggest thing is if I scroll down here, notice that this is all that's underneath the rich content editor. Who can edit this page? In our school district, only teachers are allowed to edit this. I don't believe that it's even turned on to allow students to edit these. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and delete this link out because I don't really want that in there right now, and I'll save this. And then I'll pop over here to an assignment so you can see the difference here. So if I go to an assignment, same thing, rich content editor. I can link any number of different things in here. I'll link a page in this case. So I can link basically the same two things together. So if I had created an assignment called daily work, which in this case I did, I could have posted a page called daily work and linked this assignment to the page, or vice versa. So that way the kids don't really have to get confused about navigating at all in there. So in this case, I'm just going to pop in a link. We'll just put this one in there. Obviously, it's not anything useful, but just to show you how we can do it. Flashes yellow and then goes on. This is where it's different. So now we're saying, okay, how many points is this worth? And whatnot. What does the grading deal look like? Do we even want to use points? Do we want to use a percentage, a letter grade? Did they just turn it in? Do we want to use a GPA scale? This is how the students are going to turn it in. No submission, online. Here's the different online ones. They type something, give you a URL, record something, video or a picture, type something up and submit it. Are they doing it on paper, or are they using something like Google Drive or Office 365 to turn that in? You also come down here, and this has due dates. There are no due dates on pages. One of the things to keep in mind about the assign to and creating a due date, this also forces, basically gives the students a notification in their to-do list that an assignment is due. Pages obviously don't do that because there is nothing due. So that's just a brief, quick overview of the differences between pages and assignments in Canvas. And hopefully this was a useful tutorial for y'all.